Hello, beautiful people. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinaj's Recipes. In today's video, I'm sharing with you Ghanaian chicken peanut butter soup, the best recipe ever. It is so easy to make and delicious. Let's get right into it. First, you will need to blend onion, garlic, ginger, habanero pepper, green scallion, and then you add in your tomato paste. I also have a teaspoon of aniseed. I'll add water and blend until very smooth. To my soup pot, I have here my hard chicken. This is the hen chicken. I'll add a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of chicken seasoning, or you can add any seasoning or spices of choice. I've added my blended vegetables, rinsed out my blender, and also added it to it. I'll give it a good mix, cover and allow it to steam for 10 minutes. To my blender, I'll add 16 ounces of peanut butter or granola paste and then 2 thumb size of fresh ginger. I'll add water and then I'll blend. Adding ginger to your peanut butter before cooking it down take the soup to a whole different level. My chicken has steamed for 10 minutes. I'll give it a stir and then I'll cover it and allow it to steam for another 10 minutes. Whilst that is steaming, I'll cook down my peanut butter until the natural oil from the peanut butter settles on top. And this should take you about 15 minutes. Please make sure to keep stirring until the oil settles on top. If you leave it, the bottom is going to burn. My peanut butter is perfectly cooked now and my soup has steamed for a total of 20 minutes. I'll then go ahead and add in my peanut butter. Yes, the soup is already coming along pretty good. I'll give it a good mix and then I'll add in hot water. You can add in cold water if that's what you have. I'll also add in 3 tomatoes, 1 red onion, and 1 yellow onion. And I'll allow the soup to boil for about 15 minutes or until the vegetables become soft and tender. I want to take this opportunity to humbly thank each and every one of you for your support, for sharing my videos on your various platforms, liking and commenting. I'm so grateful. We finally made it to 1,000 subscribers after 1 year of posting videos. Thank you guys all so very much. God bless you all. My vegetables is very well cooked now. I'll remove it from the soup. I'll blend it and then bring it back into the soup. I'll also rinse out the blender and then add it into the soup. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe so that you can be part of this beautiful family. Thank you. And my returning subscribers, you rock. God bless you. I'll add in 1 Onga chicken tablet, garnish it with my green habanero peppers, and I'll allow the soup to simmer for about 15 minutes. We'll be enjoying this soup with rice balls or sticky rice. You can also call it a mutu. This was a Sunday special for the family. My children loves peanut butter soup and rice balls. So sometimes you have to make something they also love. I'll check on the soup and the soup is looking ready. The oil has settled on top beautifully and that is an indication that your soup is perfectly cooked. Dinner is ready to be served. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for sharing my videos on your various platforms. God bless you all. Please kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. You like and comment. You hit the post notifications so anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you. God bless you. And please stay safe. Bye, guys.